Once again, my people, we are at OYINGBO market. You know, it's an early morning something. So at 6:30 a.m., I was already at OYINGBO. OYINGBO Market Starter Pack. Wear a mask because the air at OYINGBO Market is constantly polluted with the smell of pepper. Very overwhelming something. Yeah, very uncomfortable. They're measuring brown beans for me. Last year, we ran out of brown beans and I am not about to allow that to ever happen again. So I'm taking more than enough this time. Brown beans, when you see it, is so expensive where we live. Beans normally comes in 50 kg bags. I need half a bag, so they are dividing it for me.
Alhaja, no one may they go. I go put you everywhere. I go put you Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, everywhere. Madam the mother, happy New Year, Alhaja. Hey, you dey go one day from here? Everybody fine. Which kind not up in this one? Wow! Happy birthday! What? Birthday? Best, okay, best. Okay, best. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Oh, okay, true. Okay, you dey go prayers after. Wow! Hey! You look so good.
It is so noisy here, so I have to turn down the volume. This is Alhaja, my Stockfish plug. All these years that I've been filming Follow Me to OYINGBO Market video, she wouldn't let me film her and she never told me why. Today, she was the one begging me to film her. Come and film me, come and film me. And I was shocked. Why the change? I quickly found out that it's because she's so well dressed. Look at her. Isn't she beautiful? I asked her if she was going for one bear from the market. She said she was going to the mosque. That means I have to be coming to this market on Fridays so I can catch Alhaja well dressed. Chinyere.
Oh, yeah, come begin tell me prices. Where the head? Where the head of Okoroso? I go buy. See Stockfish to Alhaja, please. See Stockfish. When I don't see Alhaja, when I come, enter inside OYINGBO. Come buy from Alhaja. She gonna give you correct Okoroso. Every time I beg you make advertise, you know they agree now. Today, you see, I met you well. Oh, no, the sun, okay. I'm gonna come on Fridays now. How much for this ear? 1.5. How much for this Alhaja?
2,200 last price.
2,200 last price. Alhaja know they sell pricing market too.
Now wholesale are the same.
Now wholesale are the
And
same.
this one where I start for you, you don't go sell for another place.
Eh?
Me, man, the time my own well. I go put her hand so that if you come, you go enter her.
Hey, they fall for ground though.
Come on, don't worry, just buy one.
How much for the head?
Last price, 1 day.
Last price 1.8. It's better for me to buy more of this one though. I want to buy more. Because that head no make sense. What about this one? 5,000 last price. I stopped with Chin.
For reference for the prices, this video was filmed in early January, very early January. I'm sure the prices have changed by now, especially with the cash crunch. I bought oha, and to reduce weight, I told them to take out the fat stalks. I'll do the final picking when I arrive my destination. You don't want to manipulate the fresh vegetables too much. The second thing, don't buy washed, that's already washed fresh vegetables if you're going to take fresh vegetables, because that speeds up going bad. Yeah, they'll start going bad if they come in contact with water. I'm only taking fresh veggies because they are allowed where I live. Please check for your destination country to know what they allow and what they don't allow. You don't want to suffer for nothing, spend money for nothing. More on this in the food packaging video coming up. If you want to see that, click the like button, chakam, so you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video on this channel. Can you guys see my Osisa customer? Say hello to your friends, madam.
How are you? Good morning, ma.
Good morning, everybody.
Happy New Year.
The same to you. She doesn't sell Uzusa again. If not, I wanted to buy Uzusa. I won't be. This is the only market where I will come.
Mama, remember me one day.
They will remember you. How much for this one, madam? 20 pieces. And this one? 5,000. Come and put this one for me. Yeah.
They 2 sets.
2 sets. Yeah, you don't do. What is the fastest way to remove the slime? What is the best way to remove the slime? How long? How long they take time? I they use lime, but be like I they look for a better one.
Now lamb they take time.
Here, I was asking the seller if she has one that is a bit softened. I spotted that bag that contains opaka that looks a bit darker, so I thought it was the softer one. Opaka or oba turns darker as it softens, but she said it's dried opaka. Dried opaka is irreversible, and I will never buy it. Even for free, I will not take. Mbao. Wait, I'm looking for that. That's Mama. Good morning. That's on 30. Can I buy that one? 5,000 last. Oh, this is why I buy 4,000 last week. Why is it so expensive now? 5,000 last week. But maybe now before Christmas. Now 4,000 I buy. Now wow. Every day something they add money for this country. When the air hot, you go vote. Who you go vote for? Eh? There's nothing like God no go come from heaven, come down, come tell us what you go do for this country. Eh? Eh? No, not be me. Who you go vote for? Jesus. Now wetin they spoil this country now? They vote for Jesus where you never see. And three people, at least 3 major people, they buy for election. You say you go vote for Jesus. Okay now. Let's continue voting for Jesus. You have tiger man. You don't have tiger curry. Might be this. Okay, in Roma. No, the tiger I won't buy. Anyway, measure for me. Now wow. God no go help us, so we suppose know we suppose they listen to them, know what who you go vote for. God no go help us anything because God now has other countries to help where they suffer more than we are suffering. Hey, now it be like say this crayfish they dirty.
No dirty. If you want to take a select for information, it's finished.
You want to say that for me?
If you want now, but no dirty.
You dirty? Now that mama where they fair get this crayfish because I don't taste them before. Or I put now. No. Bring good paint out. No.
I go vote for my belly.
You see how you people are dodging questions. So that means that you're not listening to the candidate. You're not voting. Tomorrow now we go to cry. Last week this was 4,000. Today it's 5,000.
Nah, patient man.
Patient man. What's the name?
The youngest.
The youngest. Clap for yourself, mommy. You see how mommy is getting younger. If mommy is so true, you're getting younger every year. What my sister and I you're getting younger.
I am taking it life easy.
Yes, it's best. It's the best. It's the best.
The youngest, oh Bim.
Oh Bim. Oh Nyamaka. Upon that one, Joanna said no Jesus. How you
Oh Bim, which kind?
Oh, but which? Nyamaka.
Oh Bim.
Nyamaka.
Oh Bim.
Yes.
No Bim. No
Yes.
Bim. No Bim.
Yes.
Oh Bim.
Yes.
Waiting. He is going to revive Nigeria.
Amen.
He's going to revive by the special grace of God.
Yes.
We will help him. He will revive Nigeria.
Yes, he will.
Nigeria will come back to what Nigeria is
supposed to be.
In Jesus.
A proud country that is endowed. Amen. Yes. So, mommy, now are you still voting for Jesus, or have you changed your mind now? You gotta listen. It's so you, but why are you shouldn't be shy to be saying it. He's the best candidate. When Sabi something.
Young and with wisdom.
Sabi something, they're young.
Full in body.
Yes. And he understands the problem of this country.
Yes.
Yeah. He listens. Mommy, you know him. You know him very well. Oh yeah, because measure crayfish for me, I beg, make I do. That mommy is over there nodding her head. It's true. He's the best candidate. This is what God has done for us. Yes. Bringing out the best candidate. Imagine if he did not live to Labour Party.
No matter what they do, God pass all of them.
Oh, God pass all of them. God pass all of them.
God must make him to enter.
Amen.
So that Nigeria will be revived. And
yes.
We have everything.
We have more than everything. More than.
If we handle this nation well, we're supposed to be more than America.
Hey. Yeah.
For greediness, no
greed them. They go they pack money when they not go finish.
I will do for my grandpicking. I will do for my great children unborn.
Unborn.
They have billions.
Hey.
In our account.
Mommy, understand. Let's do this one. Okay, one. I need about let me see. I need about 5 total, eh? It's sugar true. Hey. It's sugar true, eh? It's sugar true. I don't see believe. It's sugar. What the way? It's sugar true. Give me. What happened was that this lady was calling me to come and buy Odara. One glance, I saw long stalks on them, so I told her that they are plucked, hence not sweet. She told me they are sweet, but I kept walking away, thinking it's their usual lies. She ran after me, gave me one to taste to make me believe. I tasted it, and verily, I say unto you, it's so sweet. I can't remember the last time I tasted such sweet Udara. I had to run back and buy some before people buy them all up. See my fine mommy. Hey, mommy, you're getting younger every day. See how you're shining. P2B has not won presidency and you're shining like this. You made them. Okay, never. Can you see her? Okay, na chacha white to time. Kakwan, achi. Take this, Ofu Derika. Na bakwa fuma Kenya ho. Ani ebuozi. E mako ya na level na nyimbo 300 naira a liter. 300. I'm telling you, for na kwa call. 300 naira a liter. Jesus Christ. The buffet na Asaba na ele 190.
Can you imagine?
Sorry. Brother, Happy New Year.
I wish you the best, man.
Bakwalo fuma ina gunozen. That wasn't kiri. All the on, or that one kiri all the eba na egwu. Hey, Tintin na YouTube. Tintin na YouTube. Ego ne unka. 800 this fish. Can you see it? 800 naira. Okay, ego ne. Okay, ego ne. 25 ofu azụ. Ofu mkpụrụ azụ a ido ya n'ime ofe gị 2005. Nke akwan. Nke akwan. Nke 1002 last. This one, can you imagine? This country, which direction are we going? Nke akwan. I shouldn't go for that one. But I need a catfish. Where? Catfish, dry catfish, dry catfish, dry. 800, 1225. Can you people hear it? It's real. This inflation is real. See my potters. I don't tire, I don't tire, I don't tire. Okay, after dropping most of the things I bought at the car, I am going to buy moi moi leaves. It's quite far. I didn't want to take my potters all the way to buy the moi moi leaves, and we can't stop here on the way because it's illegal parking. This is the only place that they sell etere or leaves here. I don't know any other place though. So from this car park, the car park is over here. You come down here. Good morning. Good morning. So this is the only place that they sell the etere. I think that this is not the only place. So when you come down from this, see this church. Now church be this, no? Yeah. See this church here and see the car park. See Justin's down there. Then you come down here. And up there they are selling lime there as well. Okay, how much? How is they sell? Give me bold ones. Bold ones. See that it's fresh. Oh, sorry. The same 200. Give me two. Just two. Keep on for me. Look, I buy lime. I do come. Good morning. You get more green ones. You get this type more green. Where they green? I need the lime for cleaning the snails. It cuts snail slime super fast. Yeah. I want to, but this one they don't yellow now. Get more inside. Buying suya spice here. It's now 2,000 naira per cup. This Derica cup. Something that I used to buy 800 naira. How do you go for Nigeria? After OYINGBO market, Chinyere. Oh, no. Hi. On the way home, we bought yam and stopped over at this supermarket to buy some provisions such as pig milk, this golden seller basmati rice, because it's not available where I live. Bye bye. See you soon.